so yummy, guys.
With us salad. Có mấy vị này.
This is lotus. Hi guys, so I'm here with my friend Chick, and today we are going to take you to a tour food around Hoi An. There is rain, and guess what? We don't care, as long as we will show you everything. Yes, you can see here in Hoi An, and come visit this beautiful, absolutely gorgeous city, even on the rain. Let's go! Woo! So we are on the way to make white rose.
Yes.
Yes, let's go!
Let's go.
Welcome to our first stop, White Rose Restaurant.
This one is soya bean tea. Cheers, combined.
Cheers. Oh yeah. Okay guys, so I'm going to try now the white rose and let's see how it tastes. Enjoy.
Me with us.
Very good. The flour, very good. It's like the one you roll, right? Like rice noodle. Wow, this is so good. Cool. I love fish sauce. Fish sauce, you need to like it. You either like it or hate it. Some people cannot tolerate.
Yes.
Doesn't like. I like, very good. This, I see here a lot of foreigners. So this restaurant is famous in Hoi An.
So you need to write white rose, or you can say specialty food in Hoi An.
But how do they know to say white rose?
Special food in Hoi An. Two food from this restaurant is the best.
Okay.
So many restaurants they have white rose, but they will order from this.
Oh, they order from this restaurant to
Yes.
bring it to a different restaurant.
Yes, right here.
Okay. And what's the other dish that is very famous?
This wonton is kind of like
Wonton, you say?
fried wonton.
Yeah, it's fried wontons.
Fried wonton.
Like in Chinese, they say jiaozi.
Yeah, something like that.
Jiaozi, yes.
That is the fried wonton.
Oh wow! So right now we're going to try the it's wonton, but it's not Chinese. It's totally different. Deep fried wontons.
But
Okay.
you can call other name is pizza Hoi An.
Pizza. Oh,
Hoi An.
pizza like pizza. Okay. So this is the Hoi An Pizza. Let's try the Hoi An Pizza or wonton or fried wonton. So we say shrimp, onions, mushrooms, pineapple.
Wonton
Wow.
made by rice paper.
This is so good. It's a little bit sweet and sour. So like sweet and sour sauce. This is exactly what it is, sweet and sour sauce. Wow, it's so good. I can eat 20 of them. So if you're in Hoi An, you should try the Hoi An pizza or the fried wonton.
Fried wonton or Hoi An pizza. So good.
So the first stop was absolute success. I enjoy everything we tried, the Hoi An pizza and the white rose, and I'm ready to go our second dish, and I'm so excited. Are you ready guys? Let's go. So we are ready to go to our next station. So what's our next station?
Next station is the
Oh, so we're going to eat here something?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
I love healthy food. You should.
Okay, we love healthy food. So let's see.
Sima made by sesame.
Sesame.
Sesame. Oh, let's see. It's called.
Wow, it's hot.
Mình có mấy vị này gì hay là chỉ mè đen thôi?
Wow. Wow. Is she making it just here or sometimes in some other places?
No, her mother make it and she sit here to sell for every people.
So her mother make it at home and she's serving it here.
Yeah.
Okay, should we try it? So we are going to try it right now. Let's go. So hot. Do you have customers? Woo! Wow! So good. Wow! Wow!
Two lady but see the best.
So yummy, guys. If you never try it, you missed all your life. This is amazing. So it's black sesame, right?
Yes, it's correct.
Wow. I'm going to be so full in this tour. It's so good. It's sweet. I have to say it's very, very sweet. I usually try not to eat so much sweet sugar stuff.
But the natural sugar different with the chemical
This is
sugar.
natural sugar?
Yeah, natural sugar.
What she have inside?
They use sugar cane to make the natural sugar. Sesame and camphor and one more herb is called mấy vị trong đây là cái gì vậy?
So like
đen.
you
Chỉ biết là phần chính là mè đen thôi, còn là có mấy vị đó mẹ.
The main thing is sesame,
okay.
black sesame.
Black
and
sesame.
They put extra like camphor and a little bit other herb.
So it's really cool, guys. She's putting it inside the cup in a little bag, and then she's going to close it. So the person who ordered it on the street doesn't have to drink it right now. They can just come, pick it up, and take it home. And then look, and it's hot inside boiling water, and they just come and grab it, and they get their healthy drink for the day.
Not every day.
She said this one have calcium, so instead to go to the pharmacy.
They have 1,000 milligram calcium on this one.
1,000 milligram of calcium. This is crazy. You don't need to go to the pharmacy. All you need to do is to stop by this cute little lady that have 3 generations. And look, people are coming to get. She's very famous. They're all coming to get from her this amazing food.
And in Vietnamese it's called sima.
Sima. In Vietnamese it's called sima. Okay, I think we had a good stop. Our second stop was perfect. Let's go to our third stop.
Yes. So we go for the next one. The best bread in Hoi An.
So our third station going to be the best bread in
Hoi An.
Hoi An. Let's go.
Let's
Whoop,
go.
whoop, whoop. It's raining on us, but we don't care. So called bánh mì.
Bánh mì phượng.
Oh, I know this is like this famous chef, right?
Yes.
What's his name? Anyways, so a famous chef recommended this place.
A passerby whispered to me that this banh mi was the best in town. Look at this thing. But one with everything.
And it was on my checklist. We are going to eat it right now. To take you to eat this banh mi. Let's go. Okay, we have to try the, but I'm so full. I'm about to explode on this tour. Don't eat for a week before you take this tour. Like you can see, lots of people are here. Foreigners and Vietnamese, and everybody's here. So she's going to order it for us. The best part about this place, it's packed, and we don't need to stand in line to order our food. I don't know. So the chef, this one famous chef came here, he tried it and he said, delicious, the best in Vietnam.
Yes.
So we are ready to try it, right?
Yes. Are you ready to try? So
I'm ready, about to explode. Okay, let's go inside. So like you can see, it's packed. There is lots of people. Let's see. Wow, look how many people. Let's see here. It's full there.
So hi guys, now we order best bread in Hoi An. How about the taste?
Very good. It's amazing. This place is very famous and recommended on YouTube, on Google. And sometimes places can get overrated. But this place is absolutely worth the try. If you're in Hoi An and you did not come to try this sandwich, you're definitely missing out. This is totally high recommended. I'm not going to eat for 3 days. How much this sandwich cost?
35.
Oh, 35. It's not very expensive.
Tàu luôn để là giá tôi kịp cho anh nước tôi bông nha.
Wow, that's perfect. I'm ready for our next stop. I think next stop we're going to run a mile.
So full, so good, so delicious. You should come in Vietnam and to Hoi An and try it. Try it. Really good.
The one amazing thing about this sandwich is the mixed taste that I have in my mouth. It's a little bit spicy and a little bit sour and a little bit sweet, and the vegetable and the cucumber. So it's definitely really interesting mix of taste that you feel inside your mouth. And it's so tight here. People are everywhere because this place is the most famous, number one in Hoi An, because this famous chef that came here and recommended. So people are crazy about this sandwich. Yes. Here is my ride. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, so this was absolutely perfect. I have to say, like I said, the mix of taste in the mouth is absolutely incredible. And right now we're going to park the bike in Old Town and walk a little bit because we had so much food that we have to take a little break of riding and move our body a little bit. And then what will be our next step? Stop.
So we will drink. Now we stop at a shop.